अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा वीर ना मैनू ख्वाब डरांदे ने भैण दे दर्द मुका जा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा ओह रस्ते ओह बुए ओह मिट्टियाँ अकबर ओह तांगा ओह आसान ओह चिट्ठियाँ अकबर वेख ले साडा दर्द भी साझा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा कोई होंदा मेरा अपना मेरे अथरू वंडदा आके सिर ते मेरे कोई कदी साया करदा खाक तो मैनू आप उठांदा ते कहंदा तख्त ते आजा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा जान दी होंदी जे अकबर तू नहीं वल के आना ऐसे गलते मेरे महमल तू सी मैनू लाना जांदिया तू ही आप बकइये विच भैण दी कबर बना जा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा वीर ना मैनू ख्वाब डरांदे ने भैण दे दर्द मुका जा अकबर मैं मर जावांगी वतना ते वीर आजा
أحسنت أحسنت سيدنا أحسنت طيب الله فاسك well done over to you Sayyid Meesum
How peacefully you recited this kalam. You know, you don't always need the whistles and everything going on. the tempos and everything. The way it should have been recited, you recited. Let me tell you some of the parameters that I look at, and I cannot find something to pinpoint for improve. I look at facial expressions, hand gestures, projection, eye contact, pronunciation, your volume, your pitch, your rhythm, your tempo, your breath control. All of this was very, very well done. Very well done. We're proud of you. Very proud of you.
A very accomplished performance.
Alhamdulillah.
Fitting.
We're very lucky to be.
A final, I would say.
Yes.
Brilliant. Brilliant stuff.
Very nice.
Mullah Hussein, what did you think?
Yeah, well, ahsant, Dr. Owais. Just now, at this moment, it started to get very hard. The day. Because now, it's give or take, We don't know what to do, really, because the talent here, that's why at the beginning of this show, I said we have 10 winners. Because tonight, even though I don't understand a word of what you were saying, I was touched by your emotions. There was some emotion in your performance. I felt the emotion. And of course, the tears I heard in the crowd who were interacting with you, that was a testimony of that emotions that you are delivering. So well done, brother. Well done.
Fantastic. Thank
Well
you very
done.
much. Mullah Hussein, Mullah Nazar.
Oh, mashallah. Dr. Owais, you are a GP, yeah?
It's becoming hard. It's really hard.
You should treat our hearts, not get our hearts in more pain, Habibi. Yeah. And do you think I will give you negative feedback while I am in Birmingham? You are from Birmingham and half of the crowd from Birmingham. Then how can I go back home? Habibi, how can I go home?
Hold on, let me just get. So you're from Birmingham?
No, I'm from.
It's written Birmingham in the.
Bradford.
Huh?
From Bradford.
From
It's same, Habibi, same area. Same phone code.
Same thing.
Same phone code maybe.
Well, anyone from Bradford?
Anyway, very good.
All right.
Oh,
So
half
show
of the
some-
crowd.
show some
Half of
love
the crowd.
and support for Owais.
Yeah, thank you very much. Very beautiful.
Dr. Sayyid, any last words that you want to mention?
Just really soothing, to tell you the truth. Owais, first couple of episodes, likewise tonight. The way he recites, always so soothing, so relaxing. And the person himself is an inspiration. He's doctor and servant of Ahlul Bayt. Some people get married, profession, and then they don't find time for the Imam Barga. But the true success is in serving your family and the community, inshallah. Well done. Well done.
Put your hands together, please, for Owais Hassan. Thank you, Owais.
Right. Dr. Owais, mashallah, what a performance, what a performance. A job very well done. How does it feel that everyone out there was supporting you? They all cheered you on. I think everyone felt the emotions of your voice. How does that make you feel?
I felt honored. Sometimes our words cannot explain what we have been experiencing over the stage. But as I've mentioned earlier, that at the end of the day, what we are doing, we're just doing our ibadat. This is what I've just done, and I'm quite satisfied. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.